Hey y'all, it's your girl Lady Adri with, I believe, my first cooking video on this channel. Today we are doing a Cajun chicken pasta. This pasta is bomb. Here are the ingredients, everything that you'll need. Pause if you need to. So getting started, we are going to season our chicken. Starting off with adobo, I put pepper, the Cajun seasoning, and paprika. It's best if you can do this overnight. So if you just season your chicken, cover it, put it in the fridge overnight just so it can soak in all those seasonings. Next, you'll add a tablespoon of olive oil to your pan, pot, whatever. Try to cook in the same pan so all the flavor that's left in that grease from anything that you're cooking in stays there, because we want all those flavors for the whole dish. Look at him doing his thing over here with these mushrooms.
I want to thank my cousin helping me out. You said 15 or 18. You down?
Okay, so we're almost done cooking the chicken. I'm about to show the veggies that I pre-cut. We had fajitas the night before, so I already had all this stuff, so it was easier for me. Notice that I cut the pieces of chicken up before cooking them this time because the chicken was so thick that it was taking forever to cook. So I ended up, I shouldn't say me, my little sous chefs ended up helping me in chopping the chicken up before cooking it. So we're just gonna put it to the side. You see all those flavors in that pan, you want that. So we're gonna go ahead and put those veggies in and let them get soaked up with all the flavor from the pan. Okay, and notice I have my boiling water over there, so I'm just going to put my noodles in. I use penne. You can use bow tie, you can use fettuccine, angel hair, whatever you want to do is your choice. I ended up today using penne, so we just want to get that going. So I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to boil noodles at this point. So in water, just add some salt and some oil so your noodles don't stick. Boil to al dente or to how you like it. Most important, when you're cooking, clean as you go so it can make life so much easier. You have DeMarco, y'all know is my best friend, my roommate, cleaning on that end. I was cleaning the other end. We just wanted to get things going, but so important, clean as you go. Okay, so now that my veggies are how I like, not too much cooked down, but enough to where they have a bite to them, I'm going to add heavy cream. So because I'm making so much pasta, I'm using two containers of the heavy cream. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my veggies, again using the same pot. So we're soaking up all the flavor, and it's basically going to loosen up everything from the bottom of the pot. To your heavy cream, I'm gonna start to season the heavy cream with the same ingredients I seasoned the chicken with. Starting with the Cajun seasoning, I think overall I probably added 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning to the heavy cream. Right here I'm only showing 2, but as you taste the sauce, you change things as you go. So do everything to your liking and your taste buds. Again, I had so much heavy cream and I'm making so much pasta that I kind of have to overcompensate for all the liquid that I've added. So that was paprika that I just added. I think overall I probably did maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of adobo, and that's red crushed pepper flakes. I would add about, let me see, I would add about maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of that. Again, if you like spicier food, go ahead and add a little more. I just know that a lot of people like spicy food, so fine, I do spicy. Once your sauce gets to boiling, add 2 6-ounce jars of Parmesan cheese. It's fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Let that melt down. Then add your chicken, as you see here. All right, so you're gonna mix that chicken in, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this recipe is so super duper easy. Once you've mixed that, add your pasta. Don't do like me. Add small bits at a time and then mix, because you truly couldn't see how much sauce was really in here. It was super duper saucy, and so good, y'all. I promise you, if you have not secured a spouse yet, make them this dish and that is your man or woman, period. Period. No, this dish is super duper easy. I'm just mad that I didn't just, add the noodles in smaller batches. But anyway, it still is going in the same pot. It was still all really, 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 really good. So if you make this dish, please comment below on how it turned out for you. Let me know how you enjoyed it, if you kept the recipe 100% the same, or if you changed it up a little bit or added different things to make it a little better. This dish is definitely going to feed a lot of people. So if you have, a smaller family, you can definitely scale this to half. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune into my next videos. It's Lady Adri. I'll see you later.